My ride's leaving me. Oh, sorry. Record you guys sideways. I know it's very windy out, but it is what it is. I can't control that. These two are going to help me dig. The other day when we installed water lines, which you may not have seen that video yet, you may have. If you haven't, go back and check it out. We installed water lines on the land that we bought last year to expand our farm. So we just installed the water lines a couple weeks ago. Well, anyways, that same time frame when I did that, I thought I'd put a T-post in, you know, to hold the water hydrant up, which I did, but I ended up puncturing the PEX line because I had it right on the PEX line. I forgot I had extra going past it, so yeah. But we'll fix it.
Daddy broke it.
I didn't break it, you broke it.
No, you broke it.
No, he broke it.
No, I didn't break it.
Bella broke it.
Well,
She's walking away, she must be guilty.
Mommy broke it.
Mommy might have broke it.
No.
No, alright, we'll put you guys on time lapse because it might be a minute. So can you guys see the water line right here?
Yep, right there.
That's it right there. So what Daddy didn't remember was that we ran extra forward to provide some support for the water line. Or not the water, for the spigot, I mean. Well, anyways, I forgot about that. And right here, I cracked it. Huh?
It broke,
Kinda.
Daddy.
I didn't break it, you broke it.
I did it.
I got video evidence. You had a shovel in that hole, and then I found a hole in the water line. It was you. Uh-huh. Cheyenne, who was it?
Not me.
That's what I thought.
No,
Oh, dang it. Not fair, I'm holding things. Cheaters.
1, 2, 3, no,
No, I wasn't ready.
1, 2, 3, no,
Oh, wait, there's mud on my hands. You guys want me to touch my fingers with that?
Yeah.
Nope.
Play-Doh.
Oh, hang on. Gage, do you know what that tool is that you have in your hand?
Crimper?
So it's the PEX tubing crimper. We can change the heads to do different sizes, but right now we've got it set up to do 1 inch because that's what we have here.
That's how you make your own Play-Doh.
Do you want to cut it?
No.
You want to cut it, Shine?
Yeah.
All right. Come here.
How do we cut it?
Right here. I'll show you.
Put my leg down.
Yeah, put your Play-Doh down.
I'm going to get it started because I want it cut in a certain spot. Ooh, actually. Oh. It's cracked up there.
Gage, careful.
I thought it was just right here. Dang it. Oh, man. New plan, Gage.
What?
We can either get the generator and bring it out here.
Why do we need the generator?
So I have electricity so I can grind that off real quick.
Why do you need it grind off?
Because we need the fitting.
Hold on there, bud.
Yeah.
Okay.
cheat. I got it again. My goodness. I tell you what, once you crimp them on there and you leave them for a year, well, they're pretty good. There. All right. There. We'll take this piece, or this tool rather. Put it on there and we'll crimp it. Oh man. Alright. This one's done, but we're gonna leave it open because I did the same thing on 2 of the other hydrants. So we're gonna drive over to them now. This is our sheeple. They're all over the place.
They're my sheep.
Well, technically they're Chrissy's sheeple. It's true. Chugger's a bit friendly. Trying to slip you the tongue. All of our sheep are pretty friendly. There's a few of them that they'll approach you, but only on their terms. So, you know how it is.
Water line.
I did not.
He did. He broke it. So I don't know if you can you zoom on this thing?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, if we can edit it, we'll zoom in. There's a sheep out there. It looks like she's got grass growing out of her nose. She's got a grass mustache. I know, it's hilarious. See, even the sheep are laughing at her.
It's called bullying, you know?
It's not bullying, it's just really funny. I know, I don't got it.
That's Christy's favorite sheep. That's Black Betty. She's the only fully black sheep we have.
Well, how about that?
She is. All the others have a patch. He's got one on top of his head. They've all got one on top of their head or somewhere.
The one fully black one we had
Didn't make it. Anyway, back to work. So we're not a very big John Deere fan. However, we've had that generator for like 10 years. It might have 100 hours on it. Maybe. We don't use it very often. But let's see if it's like the Millennial Farmers John Deere's and see if it, you know, it's like a kitten at a milk pail.
This is what I mean by gotta be more specific. Yes. He said fire or backup, so I went to go fire up the generator. He goes, no, not the generator, the camera.
Well,
how am I supposed to know which one I'm firing up if you don't tell me? I don't know. Maybe you gotta cut something else.
Why would I need the generator to use these?
I wasn't looking at what you were doing.
See, there's the problem. We're paying attention. All right. You put a ring on it, then you put it in.
Take it how you want.
Those are words of wisdom.
Uh-huh. Watch your head. Gonna hit the handle. Help you up here.
Axe is pretty forgiving. You can bend it and do stuff like that. What you can't do is like Chrissy did and drive a T-post.
I did no such thing. That was completely Travis.
I'm really sorry about the wind. Not much I can do about it. It's very breezy today. But Chris is about to go let them. So this is why we do rotational grazing. So we let them eat in one pasture for up to 5 days, but no more than 5 days. So if they eat it all gone in one day, then they're going to the next pasture. However, there's enough acreage and tonnage of grass in each paddock that they're going to stay there for at least 5 days. As far as the grass is concerned, we rotate them before the 5 days because of parasites. So if they have parasites inside of their belly, whenever they poop them out, they're larvae. 5 days later, after the larvae have been pooped out, they become parasites that are ingestible. And whenever they're ingested, they'll attach themselves to the inner wall of the host animal, and then it'll end up making more larvae. And then the cycle just gets dramatically worse because now you went from 1 parasite to say 20, and then you went from 20 to 70. They exponentially increase, and we don't want that to happen. So that's why we rotate them earlier. But that's how easy it is. We go down, we move their water trough down here, and we also move that blue tub. That blue tub has a salt and selenium mix in it. That's an important nutrient that they need to have access to, or they should have access to at all times. And then there's also a little sulfur salt block. The sulfur salt block has just mainly salt in it. Oh, that's my tape measure I lost.
Oh yeah, the sheep are using it.
Well, I'm sure they were trying to check out, and
They're checking the length of the grass, you know, make sure it's up to par.
that's good thinking. Smart animals. All right, let's finish this one. So that's the new section that we put in. But what happened is I didn't make a straight cut right here. And so it doesn't have a good connection, as you can see. So we're going to cut that and redo it. Pretty simple process though.
If you like our video, press the like button. And you can even share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And if you like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Finally!